Bitcoin Hoodie Guy back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how Bitcoin blockchain could be helping fight fraud in a presidential election. Also talking about how the miners are doubling down on efficiency and renewable energy at the World Mining Summit. So let's get into it. You can see right here the Bitcoin magazine is reporting how via something called timestamps and a startup called Simple Proof, they're trying to upload some information to the Bitcoin blockchain, and with the timestamps being able to verify that this was put on the blockchain at this time. I guess you could also use ordinals. So I think that's an exciting use case. Obviously, there's a lot of problem with elections, but you can see right now that the ordinal inscriptions are over 34,290,000. This is the first time I heard about the open timestamps, and it was a Guatemalan tech startup, Simple Proof, and they do have a link somewhere, I think, up in here to the. And then there's also a Twitter, so I think there's some contention in the election, and you're probably gonna be bumping into that with lots of elections. I'll link up this article in the Bitcoin magazine. So it's pretty interesting. I think that whether it's via these open timestamps, whatever it is, or if it's the Ordinals blockchain. So with Bitcoin, you got two things going on. It's two different things. It's a currency, and it's the world's most powerful computer network, and is decentralized, doing over 400 quintillion calculations per second. So it's easy. If you want to take over the Bitcoin network, it's easy. Buy enough ASIC miners to take over 51% of the hash rate, which is going to mean you're going to have enough ASIC computers to do over 200 quintillion calculations per second, probably more like 250 quintillion calculations a second, not transactions. And you're going to have to also use all that energy. The cost of energy, even in the cheapest places, is going to run you a pretty penny to run that much hash rate. So that's what's interesting, how I do think that the blockchain, whether it comes onto Bitcoin or some other way, but I could see it coming onto Bitcoin, and maybe it's via this open timestamps, or maybe it's versus ordinals, but information getting uploaded to the blockchain. Now you can upload a document to the blockchain. All that is showing is that this document was uploaded at this time, so you know that it wasn't after that time, but you don't know about the validity of that document that was uploaded. But right here, so just finishing off with this story, Bitcoin miners doubled down on efficiency and renewable energy at the World Mining Summit. Bitmain rolled out its efficiency-focused Antminer S21, and Bitcoin miners shared their plans for boosting productivity via green energy. So it's shifting, and Bitcoin mining could be ESG friendly. I know that I think Forbes reported that it's over 50% renewable energy. So it's trending in the right direction. Bitcoin is en route to becoming an ESG asset. So I think the narrative will shift, and you'll see a lot of money flowing in. Let me know what you think. Let's take a quick look at the market and see what the prices are looking like. So right now, the crypto market's still 1.06 trillion, and Bitcoin's hanging out at that $26,617. So it's kind of hanging there. Some people think it could go back to 20, maybe test 15. I'm not sure. I think at some point we'll never see 15,000 again. I don't know. Maybe some negative event could send it down there, but it's being pretty resilient, holding this 26,000. And sideways price action doesn't bother me, because that gives me more time to accumulate. But that's my opinion. Let me know your opinion on how Bitcoin could come and help presidential elections, or just the fact that it can store information in a secure way and prove at what time it was uploaded. And then you got Bitcoin miners becoming more eco-friendly and more efficient, and there's incentive for the Bitcoin miners to be as much energy efficient with their cost of energy. They make more money. They can get more Bitcoin for less money, and that's a big win, and you want to keep those guys profitable. And yeah, you can always go to ordinals.market to check out some of the ordinals if you're into that. And that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.